Welcome to episode number 5 of the Ultra RC Hobbies Show. It'll be airing on Facebook as well as YouTube, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on all those platforms, and especially on Facebook, if you would like to throw some comments for Q&A on below the video, as well as sharing it with all your friends. That's super helpful for the channel. So tonight, Chris, what are we talking about?
We're going to go over the Tamiya M05 and the M06, and we're going to take these around the track, and I'm going to show you how to drive.
You show me how to drive?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I think now this race has a little bit of bettage on it, but let's go from there. What else are we talking about?
We've got a new work table we're working on.
Ooh, that's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's gonna kind of be a dual work table / filming bench, and it's gonna go from this really blah, lame blue to something super cool, but we'll talk about that later. And is there anything else? We don't have anything else on the list, I don't think.
Yeah, I think that was it.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Eventful.
Events. They're fun.
Well, there's gonna be a race. Come on. I'm gonna destroy you.
No, you're not.
It's gonna be good.
You're really mean.
Race for pinks? Oh wait, they're both my trucks.
Yeah, we should race for pinks, because if I win, I get both.
Oh right.
Okay.
You just get the one.
No.
The one that you beat. Because you're only bored with the first one.
Technically, if I get pinks, I get both.
No, that's only if you own the first one.
Shenanigans. Possession's 9/10 of the law.
True. So we've got the Mazda MX-5 on the Tamiya M05 chassis here. This is a front-wheel drive car, so there's nothing going on in the back. It's all in the front. I put in a ProTech 160T servo, and then I'm just running the stock motor and speed controller that comes with the kit. And then the body on this thing is polycarbonate, so really light, floppy, just like normal.
And you're running 2-cell lipo?
Yeah, 2-cell lipo.
So to make it fair, are we both running 2-cell lipo?
We're both running 2-cell lipo.
There we go.
Yeah.
Well, about time to think
exactly.
fair. Okay, so this is gonna be the M06 Midnight Pumpkin Lowrider Edition. So right off the bat, it's a little bit different than the Lexan body. So this is actually going to be a hard plastic shell, not going to be flexible, but usually with the hard plastic stuff, you are going to get a little bit more detail, and the body will look a little bit better just because it's going to have a lot more detail with body lines and stuff like that. So Chris said I have to go and describe his car for him because this is the one I'm going to be racing. So let's see what we got here. So we got a ProTech 100T steering servo. This one is actually going to be rear wheel drive, so it's going to be interesting to see front wheel drive versus rear wheel drive going on in this episode. It looks like I'm actually at an advantage. No, I think I'm at an advantage because I got the brushless motor. So we got an EcoPower. True. Yes. EcoPower 17.5 brushless motor running on the stock provided ESC from Tamiya. That is actually a censored or sensorless capable brushed or brushless ESC. It is running a 2-cell lipo, and on this guy we're actually running a Futaba radio instead of the stock Spectrum that Chris runs, just because we can't run 2 cars on the same radio, so that ain't gonna work. Yeah, I'm kind of interested to see the difference between front wheel drive and rear wheel drive, and we'll actually see who's a better driver. But yeah, we'll just go from there. And are you ready to race?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
It's go time.
Ready? Yeah.
It's go time. So I'm driving the M06 Midnight Pumpkin.
Rear wheel drive.
Rear wheel drive, the blue truck.
And I'll be in the MX-5 M05 front wheel drive.
Yes, it's gonna be interesting. The track is a little bit on the dusty side, so it's gonna be a little bit more interesting for me.
Yeah.
I see why you gave me the overpowered rear wheel drive.
You had the choice of which vehicle you wanted.
Here we frickin' go.
Mr. Rear wheel drive, had to go for it.
Okay, well, I guess it's go time. So we'll be doing 5 laps. The yellow strip on this side will be the start-finish line. So, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, who wants to count down? We even have a whole film crew here. Someone count down from 3.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
Guinness record.
Yeah, I've done 4 laps. How many have you done?
I'm pretty sure I'm at like that. Yeah, was good for you. Well, I think just to make it even, I gotta try with yours, but which other truck now? You guys have this.
Okay. Because this thing is hard to drive.
It's super slippery down here. It looks fast.
Well, go take 2, and I'm gonna try Chris's front wheel drive because he absolutely slaughtered me. Let's be honest here. He lapped me, so he did.
I think you both lost.
True, I didn't smash it, so joke's on him, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna go take number 2. I'm gonna be the red Miata. Chris has the blue truck. Okay, someone wanna count us down?
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it does not turn.
That's lap 2.
Oh, he pushed me outside.
There's 3. Can you check them?
Oh, you're on it.
There's 4.
Oh, door jam.
Oh!
I cracked it up the treasure.
Too much throttle. That's 5.
Chris, I'm gonna lap you. Winner! Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Oh! Get someone for a victory lap. Do some reverse donuts. Oh! Woo!
That was an exciting race.
Yeah, I kind of lost a little bit.
I'd say you
This
lost.
thing is hard to drive.
It's really hard to drive.
Yeah, on that little bit of a dusty surface, it
Yeah.
likes to do donuts. But hey, I beat you in the second one.
You beat me the second
You just
one.
beat me way worse driving the M06. So we're gonna crown Chris as the champion. Congrats to Chris.
Right. We got a little bit of battle damage on there,
Guess you got a war
but
wound.
that's all in the name of fun.
Yeah. So now I guess we might as well go right into talking on this
Yeah,
handy dandy
new workbench.
Because hey, we're
Nice bench.
So this is a bench that Chris actually donated to the store. So within the next couple weeks and every week that goes by, we're actually going to be doing some different stuff to it. So it's probably going to not look blue for a while. It's going to be all wrapped up with Ultra RC. But the nice thing with this bench is we have a Cow RC extra large Pro Mag work mat. So you can push that right to the side, have a laptop or anything else going on. And there's also going to be some storage in there, so holding your tools, a whole bunch of extra stuff. So it's going to be pretty cool. So thank you very much for donating it to the cause. So to make these videos better, Chris donated to the cause. So we're going to look at doing some build videos and a bunch of other cool time-lapse stuff to keep you guys in the know. So I guess that's episode number 5.
Episode 5
Of the Ultra RC Hobbies Show.
Yeah.
So thanks for tuning in, supporting it on Facebook. Like, share, comment on Facebook. Like, subscribe on YouTube.
Yeah. Like,
Follow
comment,
us.
and subscribe.
Oh, I forget comments. Follow us on Snapchat, Ultra RC Hobbies. Check out our brand new website. Again, we're always adding stuff onto there. So Ultra RC Hobbies for the website. And thanks again for tuning in, guys. All your comments and all your support goes a really long way, so we really appreciate it. Thank you guys very much, and we'll catch you in episode number 6.
Right on.